Alright guys, well, this is the morning. Just got up, got everything packed up, got everything on the Sea-Doo, all loaded up, and we're about to head out and make our way all the way back. So, no, it hasn't been I haven't filmed as much as I possibly wanted to, but I just kind of want to check this place out first, see what I can find, see for the next time I come up here, show you guys a little bit more detail about things that are around. So, I will definitely be back here. This is absolutely beautiful. I can't wait. I had a great time with my buddy from Due Diligence Fishing. He's just finishing up, getting ready. And yeah, like I said, I will definitely be back, do a more detailed video. This one's just going to be a quick, I went on a trip. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. I'll probably check in a couple more times as we're going along, but we'll see how it goes. But if not, thanks for liking. If you want to see more of these videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and you know, just appreciate everything you guys have been doing watching these videos. Alright guys, well, we made it to our first stop to get some fuel. We're in Penetang Harbor right now, so that is Penetang right over there. So we're going to get some fuel up before we make our next trip. Our next trip will probably be from Penetang to either Collingwood or Meaford, or depending if the weather's good, we may try to do a direct run if it's calm weather. So we'll see, but I'm running low on battery, so this might get a bit short near the end here. So anyways, we'll see what we get. guys, well, we're about almost past, we're halfway there. We're out in the big water right now. It's been a nice, somewhat calm run so far. Luckily we've had the wind going with us, so it's pretty easy to get through the waves. You're not really feeling that too bad and stuff like that. So we've come from over there at Christian Island, and we're making it through the big water to over towards Owen Sound, which is that way. So we're gonna hit back out on the water, get going for a little bit, and see if we can make it home with what gas we have. Gonna risk it for the biscuit. Anyways, there's my buddy from Due Diligence Fishing. He's still here kicking it. Alright guys, we made it back, a successful trip. It was an amazing time. Out there was my buddy from Due Diligence who just got his low fuel alarm, so we just made it back in time. There's my low fuel alarm as well. That was well timed. Anyways, it was an amazing trip. I regret I probably didn't film as much as I wanted to, but just means that we gotta go back out. I got some places we want to check out now, so we'll definitely be doing another trip out there. Maybe in the fall, maybe like early September. See what things are looking like over there. Anyways, again, thanks to my buddy from Due Diligence Fishing. Check out his channel, and I hope you guys enjoyed whatever this video turned out to be. Again, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Please hit that like button if you want to see more videos, and I mean, just the support that you guys have been giving. It's been great, so please hit that subscribe button. And until the next video, again, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Peace. Wow, it's fun. I don't know what else to do now. I guess we should end the video.